We got 240. And we got 4. You know what? All right. Now we gotta find colon 10. Do we see a connection here? You might not, but that's times 2.5 times 2.5. So what's this times 2.5? Well, 240 times 2. Let's just say 24 times 2. That's 48. But wait, you're forgetting the 0. You must not leave the 0 behind. And guess what? You still have a 4.5 left. 240 times 0.5. But wait, this does not make any sense. Whoa. So we gotta make this a fraction. And what's 0.5 as a fraction? It's 1/2. And what's 1/2 of 240? Well, that's just 240 divided by 2, which is 120. So you got 480. What's 480 plus a 120? Well. We got an 80 and a 20, which equals 100. And well, we got a 400 and a 100. And that equals a 500. And guess what? You know what we get to? What's 1 plus 5? 6.
17.
And then we got 600. And which one is that? It's obviously D.
D.
Good job.